So my name is Sonna. I live in central Bristol in an area called St Werburghs, and I'm a mother to 3 children. I feel incredibly grateful that we live in a country where vaccinations like MMRV are easily available for our children. I think for me, the uncomfortableness of that short-term event of getting them vaccinated and seeing them uncomfortable has definitely been outweighed by knowing they have much longer-term protection against some of these diseases. It feels like they're kind of going through childhood with some protection, the best protection that they can have. So when it came to vaccination time, I think my main concerns were with my first child, my eldest child, because I'd not experienced anything like it before, and there was a real heart-tugging moment, and the injection goes in and then there's a little pause and then their faces screw up as they realise what's happened, and they are really upset. But for me, I was able to comfort them, and that felt good. And I think thinking about the long term and the thought of them being upset or unwell much more severely in the future definitely outweighed how difficult that moment was. So one thing I found really helpful around the vaccination time was talking to other parents who'd also recently had their children vaccinated and getting a better understanding of kind of what the process was and how long you'd be waiting and what the environment looks like and felt like, and having them describe their experience, I think helped prepare me for what it would feel like for me. Definitely the right choice for our family. It's reassuring and comforting to know they do have some protection from those diseases. I think one of the things that did help me is being able to talk to other parents and having a bit more time and space to consider the decisions and to make informed decisions. And I think more opportunities for parents to do that would be really helpful. And I think there's real value in speaking to other parents that have different views, different children, but also having a time and place to speak to healthcare professionals too. They are experts in this, and it doesn't always feel neutral stepping into an NHS space where you know they want you to get your children vaccinated, but actually being able to have those conversations perhaps outside of the GP surgery, within communities, can be really helpful in helping people and supporting people making informed decisions that are right for them and their situation. I think my vaccination advice for new mums, dads and carers would be to look for opportunities to gather as much information as you need, especially if you're feeling unsure. Look for credible sources and credible people to talk through those things that you're feeling unsure about. I feel like in Bristol and in the southwest there are some really good opportunities to have conversations in community spaces. There's community health clinics, places like this where there are clinicians, doctors and nurses available and will happily answer your concerns and help you come to the right decision.